Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tech Clouds. In today's video we are going to create an icon bar using Font Awesome library. Let's start by making HTML snippet first. Let's also change the title into How to Icon Bar. Okay, now let's add a div tag for a container layout and also give it a class name icon bar. Let's add some hyperlink tag for icons. Let's add class name as active for the first element in this series. Now we are going to create Font Awesome icon list and make some beautiful icons. Just copy-paste to make around 5 icons for this video tutorial. Now let's change second icon name into search, third into envelope, fourth into bell and last one into user. These icon class belongs to Font Awesome library. To create icons in this video we are going to use Font Awesome CDN link of Font Awesome library. You can get the link from official Font Awesome website. That's all for HTML. Now let's add some CSS style for these icons bar elements. Very first we add some margin to body around 15 px. Now write some style for our main icon bar container. Width 100%. Background color number 555 for gray. Overflow auto. Now let's write some style for our icons. Float left. Width 20%. Text align center. Padding 12 pixel 0 pixel. Color white. Font size 2 rem. Text decoration none and some transition all 0.3 second ease. Let's make a hover effective dark for all the icons except the active one at the moment. Now let's add some CSS for active icon. We use background color as dark orange for this one only. Our CSS task is completed here. You can see the design of our icon bar on the browser window. Now what we want is to change active icons on mouse click. For this we need to write some JavaScript code. Let's do it. Now here let's create a constant icons and get all icon element inside this using query selector. After this we will make a for each loop for this variable and add an event listener for click event. We also stop page refresh using event.prevent default method in JavaScript. After this we will initiate another loop for icons to remove active class when an icon is clicked. For this we'll use classlist.remove method. In the last we need to make the icon active again which was clicked by using classlist.add method. Now our icon bar is ready to roll. That's all for this video guys. This video code link is available in the description. Please like and subscribe for upcoming videos.